My name is Nehal Ravindra Chaudhary and today date is 24 of November 2021 and today topic is encapsulation in Java. So let's start the today topic, which is encapsulation in Java. So what is encapsulation? Encapsulation means it is a wrapping the code into the single unit. It is called encapsulation. It means that it is the holding the data and code into a single unit. Then into that encapsulation, all members are the privates, all data members are private, and then into that encapsulation we can only make the class read only or the write only. Then we can skip this method as well if you don't want to put the read only or write only. Then into that encapsulation we can control the all over the data and code by using the private data member. Then into that encapsulation we have a two method, which is a setter method and getter method, which is a set method, which is also called the set method and get method. Then suppose we put the private data member into the class, and when we value assigning to the data member, that time we should if we want to put the condition into that set method, then we can put the condition as well into that set method. Then if we want only a positive number into the setter method, that time we can also put the condition. Then into that encapsulation we will take one example, which is a class A, and into that we declare one private data member, which is a private integer number, and then into that setter method we pass one parameter, which is an integer new number, and then we are assigning first we will put one condition, which is a if condition. If number is greater than 0 and number is less than 0, then number equals to new number. Then another method, which is a getter method. By using the getter method we can get the number. Then into that get method the return type, it is an integer, depends on the data type, it's don't have a void. Then into that getter method we return the value. Then into that my class we create the object and then call this two method, which is a setter and getter method. Then we can give the number. Then into that encapsulation we can hiding the data from the user, and that's why user cannot access the data directly. So we have a two method, which is a setter and getter for the user, which can access the private data member directly by using setter and getter method. Then we have a fully encapsulated class in Java, which is a Bean Java. It is a fully encapsulated class. So this is all about the encapsulation in Java. So thank you so much.